It's tips and tricks with Tyler and Terry.
Hey guys.
Rock size matters.
Feed me, Donnie, feed me.
Oh man, sounds like my crusher really wants to do more production.
What's up, Donnie?
Oh, hey guys. Sounds like my machine really wants to do more production.
I mean, what size stone are you feeding and what's the goal?
35 by 35 stone, and the goal is 1.5 inches minus, and I want 300 tons out of it. That's what they told me it would do.
What are you getting right now?
Getting about 200 tons.
Oh, okay. I think your stone size is a little too big, or you got the wrong settings.
Okay.
Yeah, one of the things you want to pay attention to on crushers is reduction ratios. On a cone, it's 3-to-1, a jaw is 5-to-1, and impactors are 15-to-1. Just because you can feed a big giant stone doesn't mean you should. If you want production up, get that reduction ratio down, and that'll speed up your production.
Okay.
So why don't we get those stone size down and go from there?
Okay.
You know what? I got you, buddy. I'll be right back.
All right.
What's he doing?
He knows I have a better tool for that, right?
That's a good thing, because we ain't got time to recrush all this rock. We're gonna use a little bit of movie magic. Boom, Tyler, that material's been sized already, bro.
What do you mean? I rented this thing for nothing? Man, I'm about as mad as a cricket in a hubcap right now.
You need to learn how to ask questions, man.
Whatever.
It's supper time. Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, I need to go feed the crusher.
I didn't hear anything, D-Dog. I don't want to be a part of no government experiment.